Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to extend your Canada study permit step by step. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first step, log into your MyCIC account. If you don't know how to do, the link is included in the description where you can create it. Alright, so once you are in your MyCIC account, click on apply to come to Canada. We don't have any personal reference code, so we gotta generate one. So visitor study at work permit, click. What would you like to do in Canada? So you are already a student here and you wanna increase your extend your study permit. How long you are gonna planning? More than 6 months. Let's say you want to extend it for 1 more year, just a sample. Select the code. Let's say you are an Indian citizen. What is your current country? Because you are in Canada, so you have to put Canada. Yes. You have a family member with a Canadian citizen permanent resident and is 18 years or older. Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in your date of birth. So let me make this guy of 1990, somewhere in 1990s. What's good number? 1996. Not bad. January 1st, yeah, easy to remember. 1st January. Next. Are you a lawful permanent resident of US? I mean that green card holder. Let's say no. Next. What is your current immigration status? You are a student here. What is the marital status? Let's say he has never married and the province of destination is Ontario. You may be eligible to extend your stay in Canada as a student. Okay, continue. Are you a company or family? Let's say is no, but if yes, do yes. Generally people do this if they have a spouse who is on an open work permit and they want to apply it together, then based on that. This is asking, do you also want to apply for a work permit? So in this case I am selecting no, but if you need a cooperative work permit, then you need to select yes over there. When does your status in Canada expire? Okay, so let's say this guy's status is going to expire in 2021 Jan. Oh, sorry, come on. This is what happens when I don't use a mouse. Jan 12, not bad. Have you had a medical exam in last 12 months? No, because he has already been here for some time, so no. Have you lived in a designated country for more than 6 months? Let's say no. Whatever is applicable in your case. Do you want to submit application for a family member? No. Are you giving someone access to your application? No. In last 10 years, have you gone for biometric? Yes. Let's say she has gone before coming to here. Yes, he will be paying the fee. He or she, sorry, I got confused always. Are you able to make a digital copy? Yes, that is why he is applying online. Now I'm going to stick to he. Will you be paying your fees online? Yes. Okay, so the document checklist has been populated. Passport, you got to upload here. Letter of acceptance, upload here. Proof of means of financial support, digital photo. So guys, whatever you are gonna do, like always, it's good to read this help link. It clearly says that what exactly you got to do and do according to your case and your situation. Okay, and then there's a fee. So I've already uploaded videos, dedicated videos for this 5709 and schedule 1. So I'm gonna include them in the link. so I'm not gonna show you once more. You can always watch that and find out. And if you come across any query, as I always say, like, this is your own channel, so I am again telling you, feel free to ask. Now, a lot of people ask me question about this client information. This is not mandatory, but I always suggest people to do that, because this is a really good opportunity about about yourself, where you can explain your case and write anything that you want a case officer to know about you. This may be like any document that you want to upload in your case. For that, you don't find a suitable slot over here, because in every slot you can upload only one document. I have seen people doing mistake, like proof of means of financial support, they upload one PDF, then upload another, then upload another, then upload another. But every time you do that, it's going to replace the existing file. So in that, if you follow that method, you are just going to upload the last file. All other are going to be lost. So combine them into one, then upload as a single file. And digital photo also, like I am seeing nowadays, people are getting digital photo requests because they don't meet the criteria. So make sure you the one that you upload meets the criteria and it is in the specification they have already specified. And moreover, there are various photographers you find everywhere, those who are expert in this and can do this job for you rather than doing it yourself. But it's your call. If you can do it yourself, you are free to do. It depends upon your talent and how good you are in photography. I am not, because for me photography is just like clicking a button, and whatever comes out is for yourself. Okay, letter of acceptance is equally important. Now passport, why I clicked here, like everyone understands part, but I get a lot of queries from people. Somebody say, oh, my student visa or my earlier visa was issued on this passport, now my passport has been extended, which one should I use? So it is clearly written, legible copy of your valid travel document which will use to travel. If your passport, then you need to provide these things. Okay, now these things are really very important. So according to that, you upload the documents, and as I said, the links are available in the description from where you can pick it up. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and please subscribe to support the channel, because I see a lot of people, they just come ask questions to me, they get their answers, and then they just go away. So please subscribe to the channel also. That helps me. Thank you.